Hey, welcome back to Cuphead's Art, and let's draw another super easy character, and this time it's gonna be the bats from Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to draw this, and it's gonna be really easy, so we're gonna draw the eyes first. So we're gonna draw two little curves like this on the bottom of his eye, and then we're gonna go up. It's almost like a triangle, but it's a little bit more rounded. And let me color it in so we can see it. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw kind of like an arc around that one eye, and then on this one we're gonna go all the way back. Okay, and then after that we're gonna draw his mouth, so I'm gonna have it open, so it's gonna go from the corner here. Let's draw one hump, and it's gonna come down, and then it's gonna go back up, and then we're just gonna curve it, and then now we're just gonna close it off. This is gonna be the bottom, so we're kind of continuing this curve. It's gonna go down and curve it back up. Okay, and then now we have that. We can draw, let's see, his fangs. So this is gonna be right here, 1, 2. Okay, and then for now draw the rest of the face. So we're gonna curve, just kind of come back down. Okay, so now we can draw the top. So right here we're gonna continue to go up on the same curve, and we're gonna go up and draw one. It's got one ear. I'm gonna come across a little bit, draw another one, and then we're gonna come down just a little bit. And then over here, we're gonna continue this curve, just kind of go up, but just kind of stop there because we gotta draw one of his wings. So right here, we're just gonna go 1, 2, so it's pretty far out. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna curve it all the way back down. It's a little bit tricky, but you know, because sometimes you can't get the curves correct, but let's just keep going. So here, gonna go 1, 2, so it's kind of like straight up, and then you're gonna curve this all the way back down. So starting here, let's go out and curve it back into the face. And that's it for this super easy bat from Cuphead. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.